So as I mentioned before, I will be changing the carpet in the car. Instead of actually taking it all out, I figured I would just buy this and spray the whole car, or not the whole car, basically just spray the carpet. This is Duplicolor's Vinyl and Fabric. I've seen a lot of people use this on their carpet, and it changes either the gray to black or tan to black, almost any other color carpet to black with just this. It's supposed to dye it and not basically go over like paint, which is gonna harden it. So I'm hoping it's gonna look really good, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So the first thing you want to do is vacuum the car, get all this junk, everything pretty much out of the car. Once it's clean, we can start spraying. So here it is. I masked it off, the parts that I don't want to overspray on. I'm going to be taking that buckle off, but I'm going to spray this side first and see how it comes out. Hopefully the stains will not show. Here's the old color and then the new one, and you can't really see the, after a few more coats it's gonna look really good. You can't see the stains, which is exactly what I'm aiming for, so awesome. Whew, it's hot, but everything's done. Well, one side, I'm gonna show you what this side looks like. As you can see, it's gray. Move out of the frame. See right here how this is still gray, all disgusting and stained. Now look at this. Most stains, black and gray to match the top. Looks so clean now. It's like I bought a whole new carpet for this car. It looks really good, and it's still soft and it's dry, so it won't stain your fingers when it's dry. But look at that. It's a few days later now, and this is what the carpet looks like. Excuse the mess, it was just smelling extremely bad, so I bought some black ice, but now it smells a lot better. And I got some overspray on the seat here, and since the seat is ugly as hell and I was gonna throw it out anyways, I bought 2 more cans to paint these back seats because this is not coming off. So I'm pretty sure I can paint these seats and see how it would look like for now. So we're gonna do that instead. Gotta clean it up a bit before it starts raining, so yeah, I better paint these things. Nice, it's coming along really good. It's all done and painted. Had my little helper. Came out really good, better than expected. Now just waiting for it to dry. Nice. That was a workout. Luckily I just finished in time. It's starting to rain, but this is the finished product. Boom. That looks so good now. I actually will keep these seats because they look freaking awesome now. I'm really happy about this. This seat I'm throwing out. I got the 2 seats ready to go. So it's been a few days since I painted the rear seats and the carpet. The brackets finally came in. There's the box, there's the seats, there's the sliders. We're going to be installing these puppies right now. Alright, so I got one seat done with the sliders. I didn't connect the bracket yet because it didn't come with bolts. So I'm going to be running to a hardware store and getting some nuts and bolts for this thing.
Oh shit! Ew, this is nasty as shit, bro.
Both of these are not the right fit, so I'm gonna need 17. Hot! Yeah, just one.
It's more freaking better than my back seats.
I just thought I'd go back a slight bit more.
Did I put this in here? No, I can't have a word. Who's messaging me? Leave me alone.
You're not even recording me putting it in, kid.
I did. I did get you put it in, kid. Bitch.
You got a wrench for 17?
I don't think so.
Can you go check?
I can check.
Yeah, because I just need it. Awesome. First seat is in. There it is. That's the first seat. Damn, it looks awesome.
Boom. You got the first seat installed, and then you got the second one.
Third and second?
The first one, and then the second one. Damn, son, this is actually, well, this shit's stiff as a mother.
The seats are in. The back seats are painted black, so everything looks insanely good right now. Shit, came out awesome. I'm sure on this side. Shit. Now, on this side, check that out. These seats look good in here. They match the back seats since they're painted black. They match the carpet. Everything looks really good now. Damn, looks sick. So here's an update on the interior. It's actually been a few days since I painted everything. I made everything black, the whole dash, no more gray. This is brown because I peeled off the leather from it, and I'm gonna spray it black. I didn't have the time to do that yet, but once I spray it black, everything's gonna be nice and clean. It's gonna look like that side, but everything is painted black now. The side pillars, everything, even the center console, everything's just black. That is still gray because I'm gonna wrap it, or not wrap it, but I guess wrap it, yeah, in Alcantara or a suede finish. I'm gonna basically stitch it on there, so I left that gray, but everything else, as you can see, is painted black. I love the interior now. It's all black, no ugly gray except that. New shift knob, new steering wheel will be coming in soon. But yeah, overall the back seats are holding up really well. No cracks, no missing paint or anything except on the door right there. When it was still fresh, I kind of put my elbow on it and rubbed it off, so I just have to respray it. But the carpet, everything else still looks good, looks awesome. So if you guys want to spray the interior of your car with that Duplicolor stuff, I honestly recommend it. Little update, I guess, on the E36. I got a metal hood. I just swapped the carbon fiber one because it was just destroyed. The whole hood had cracks on it, so I decided to just swap it for metal because I'm going to do the GTR or the BMW M3 GTR style vents that I'm going to be cutting out. So I swapped it for metal. It's got some rust spots, but hopefully this week I'm going to have it paint matched, so everything's going to look good. Get new emblems, fix the AC in the car, and it's going to be a nice car to daily. I do daily it now, but with no AC it's brutal. But yeah, interior's done, all nice and black. Soon the exterior will be done. And I'm thinking what I should do. I'm definitely going to lower the car, but I don't know if I should go wide body. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do the Rocket Bunny wide body kit on this, or should I leave it stock and just lower it, nice wheels, spoiler, tint, and some other goodies like possibly a turbo? So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this car, and we're definitely going to get to it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.